My name is Shanmugam. I take care of marketing and sales. Mainly we are into the business of work holding tools for assisted CNC machines, and we have an export covering for more than 30 countries. We are producing around 800-900 pieces a day, and it is much contributed by the latest machine which we added into our line. JVKraft recently we added into our line, and the entire thing was tooled up, and the work holding techniques, everything was designed by LMW, and it was delivered in a advanced way so that the cycle time is so less, and which we have been working on now with more than 7 minutes or 8 minutes. It has come to 4 minutes, so that brings us our productivity double, by which we could improve the delivery time to the customers, and 85% of our produce goes out to Europe, Asia, Russia, America, then US, Swiss, Germany, and all other European countries. And we are very happy after receiving this JV machine, because it has contributed a lot in increasing our turnover and volume also, and timely delivery to our customers, by which I am sure that in the days to come we will see more orders, and because the demand for delivery was so high, and the addition of JVKraft supplemented a lot in meeting customer expectations. So that way we are very happy. From the beginning, from designing stage, each stage validating and expecting our thoughts and our feelings, and your people have really cooperated well in making what we expected is better than what we expected in a very short time. And thanks to team and marketing group as well as the engineering group for their finest support. Thank you.